Ladies and gentlemen, it's time for a late night snack with Whisker Salad. And now, here's your host, Whisker Salad. Whisker Salad here for late night snack with Whisker Salad. Whisker Salad is Whisker Salad, your host. Now, let's have a late night snack. Let's see what they got. We got poop, lice, dandruff, purple stuff, Sunny D. Oh my. It's the snack of the year. An apple. Apple is a good guess on a late night snack. So, apple, you ever been eaten before? You been eaten by a guy named Whisker Salad before? What are the chance that I feel like you would end up with a guy like Whisker Salad? Are you gonna tell me there's a chance? Well, snack time. Let me. Need salt and gravy. Not as good as a poop sandwich. For our tractor tonight, so this is $17 to, well, we don't know the thing address yet, so we don't know if you have a transfer or not.